Wow, good job. Bea, what are you eating? Mushroom soup and galunggong and rice. Good job. Can I have some? Galing. Sarap. Galing ah. Galing. Okay, children. Nag-work yung Gymboree. Toy boxing. You finished? Ay, not your hand. Use your spoon. Okay. There, use your spoon. Hold it properly. There. Yeah. Yummy? Yay! Almost done. Talagang gusto niya siya eh. Yes! Oh yeah, I'll do it. Ayos ko na. No more na? Some more? Some more. Yay! Good job! Bea, wipe your mouth. Wipe your mouth. Bea, wipe your mouth. Good job! Good job! Galing! Big girl!
Just the other hand.
Use your right. Okay.
Here.
Ay!
Water? Mama? Mama?
What do you want, Bea?
I'll get water. Mama?
No more na. Thank you, Yaya. Mama, please.